what money can do.
I want that throne to be mine. I want you all to support and vote for me, so I'll win this election. And I also want you to tell me how much this man here has given to you people. I am going to double it 10 times.
Chill, shut your mouth. Small boy, you are not afraid. You are running your mouth.
The street urchin with her cheap shoes, her cheap clothes, and her cheap wig to sit down while I speak. Shut up! Sit down! Who are you to talk when I'm still here? Or do you think this is a kindergarten class? Sit down, small girl! When did you stop wearing pampers?
Oh, wherever again, Sit down! Don't worry.
What I have inside is 35 million naira.
Aye.
And this 35 million naira is for you, elders.
I will change everything about you. Yes. Forget every fake promises that some losers has promised you.
If we change, you go no.
Change it.
If we
Change it.
If we
Tell these people to leave this place. Let us continue with our deliberation. You know, my coronation is just few market days away from now. My friends, keep quiet.
I
am going to take a pound of my flesh. I am going to pay them back in their own coin.
Yes, come on, for a time.
Allow those walking corpses to bury themselves.
I am going to visit them with justice of nemesis and wisdom of serpent.
you mess up here, I am going to sit you down inside the jail for the rest of your life.
Money,